Welcome to Pindar Poetry. We hope you learned something new.
In this video, I will show you how to make a navigation bar in WordPress Elementor Pro. First, open your Elementor editor and add a new section to your page. Next, select a column structure that best fits your design, perhaps a single column for a full-width menu. Then, locate the Nav menu widget in the Elementor panel and drag it directly into your newly created column. This sets the foundation for your custom navigation. Once the widget is in place, you'll need to select which WordPress menu you want to display from the drop-down options. After choosing your menu, explore the layout settings to define its orientation, such as horizontal or vertical, and its alignment. You can also add engaging pointer effects for hover states. Finally, dive into the Style tab to customize the typography, text color, and background for a cohesive look. To enhance user interaction, set distinct colors for your menu items when hovered over or when they are the active page. Pay attention to the drop-down indicator, customizing its icon and size. For sub-menus, adjust their background, text, and hover styles to ensure clarity. Crucially, use Elementor's responsive controls to fine-tune your navigation's appearance and functionality across desktop, tablet, and mobile devices. Before making your navigation bar live, thoroughly review its appearance and functionality on different screen sizes. Test every link to confirm it directs users to the correct page. Check for any alignment issues or styling inconsistencies. Once you are satisfied with the design and performance, save your changes within Elementor and update the page. Your custom navigation bar is now ready for your website visitors.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.